Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 8, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My beloved students, today I will take your religion class. Let's see what is our today's topic. Today's topic is exercise discussion from chapter 1, lecture number 6, HW number 6. My beloved students, in your chapter 1 discussion already finished. Let's see the MCQ answer. It's very easy. MCQ answer chapter 1, question number 1 is C answer in your book. According to your book, in your book there are 4 MCQ. So question number 1 C is answer, question number 2 A is answer, 3 number B answer, and 4 number D answer. So this is the MCQ answer. My beloved students, in your book in chapter 1 exercise there are 2 creative questions. If you read the STEAM, then you can realize already we discussed in the online class. After that I am telling you, if you read the creative question number 1, the STEAM, already you are clear. There are 2 persons. First one is Zayed and second one is Noyon. So Zayed believed to the Almighty Allah, and Noyon who is like a hypocrite, I mean two faces type of persons, who is performing the salat. Noyon, who is performing the salat when he is meeting with Zayed, but when he is meeting with other religions friends, then Noyon is saying to them, I am not with the Muslims, I am actually with you. I perform the salat for making happy to Zayed. So this is the sign of hypocrisy. So here said in your STEAM 1 said same thing, but before discussion the STEAM the answer creative number 1, you have to know the A and B answer. So creative number 1 A answer, what is the meaning of takdir? If you see your book, the page number 4, faith in takdir, there is the answer. Takdir means luck determined by Allah. So this is the A number answer. And B number, what is meant by the beliefs in the angels? So students, first of all you have to write belief in the angels. This is the foundation of the Muslims, foundation of the Iman, because after believing to the Allah and Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, then you have to believe to the angels. So at first you will write that, then you will write from your book page number 3, there is the discussion about the faith in the angels, you will write something there. And C number, what can be Zayed's activity termed as? Explain. I mean, already I told you, Zayed's activities is relating to the Mumins. So you can write about the Mumins, you can write about the 3 aspects of Mumin, you can write the auspicious of the Iman, I mean the importance of the Iman, and regarding this there are the ayat about the Mumin, then the answer will be correct. And D number, the result of Noyon's activity is certainly disastrous. Analyze the authenticity of the statement. So you have to write about the nifaq, because Noyon's activity all are relating to the munafiq. So chapter 1 lesson number 2 there is about the nifaq. So you can write about the definition of nifaq, or the characteristics of the nifaq, or the feedback, I mean the consequence of the nifaq, then it will be easier answer. My beloved students, now CQ number 2. CQ number 2 almost same thing. I mean there are 2 persons. The first one is Sumayya and then another one is Samia. So if you read the STEAM, then you can understand that is Sumayya kept his words with Samia, but Samia didn't kept his words with Sumayya, because they want to meet Nuhashpurli in Gazipur one day, one fixed day, but Sumayya went there, but Samia didn't went there because of any any excuse, but he didn't keep his words. That's why this is also the sign of munafiq. So if we want to say about the Sumayya's activities, this is related to the Mumin, same as the Zayed, the creative number 1, and Sumayya's activities are relating to the munafiq. So they are also STEAM number 1 and creative number 1 and 2, C and D almost same answer. And come to the A and B number, CQ number 2, A and B. A number, how many indications does a munafiq have? Students, as you know, there are 3 indications of munafiq have. And B number, what does it mean to have faith in luck? This is also in page number 4, faith in the taqdeer. If you read about that, then it will be a correct answer about the faith in taqdeer. So it was the discussion about the creative question number 1 and 2. Students, if you want to write, if you want to get better marks for the creative question C and D, you have to read your book, all the lessons again and again. And if you add there some hadith or some ayats from the Holy Quran, then it will be better and you will get the better marks than the others. So that's all for today, my dear students. Now see the HW question number 1, CQ number 1, A and C you will do from chapter 1. CQ number 1, A and C from chapter 1, from exercise. So it was your HW. Okay, my dear students, keep practicing at home to abide by your parents. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.